Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing what's loose so the repair will stick. First, tape around the repair and scrape flaking paint with a plastic scraper. This prevents new feather edges. Once most loose paint is off, sand the perimeter with 320 grit to blend. This creates a mechanical key for primer. Make sure to vacuum and wipe with a tack cloth so dust won't block adhesion. You're now ready to move into rust treatment and finer sanding. Once you've removed loose paint, tackle rust and low spots so the finish is seamless. If rust is present, scrub with a wire brush, apply rust converter, and sand to clean metal. For dents or gouges, apply polyester filler in thin layers. Let each layer cure before sanding flat with 400-600 grit to avoid swirl marks. Then degrease using a wax and grease remover. This step is critical because contaminants prevent primer from bonding. Make sure temperature and humidity are stable for proper curing. You finish by building a proper paint base. Spray self-etching primer on any bare metal, then 2 light coats of 2K filler primer over the repair. Sand smooth with 600-800 grit. Once flat and clean, spray base coat in thin overlapping passes until you match color depth, letting each pass flash. Finish with 2-3 wet coats of clear coat and allow full cure. If you see fish eyes, runs, or adhesion failures, let cure, sand back to primer, reclean, and repeat primer before repainting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.